you ever shared a Google Doc with your students only to find the original has been accidentally edited or even overwritten? Let's fix that. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to share a Google Doc without letting anyone edit the original. Perfect for educators who want to maintain control over their templates and resources. So first we need to open the Google Doc. You can see mine is already open. This is the example mock-up one. Make sure it's fully ready to go. This is the version your students will use as their starting point. Then you want to look up towards the URL in the browser just up here, and it will typically include the words edit and backslash edit and then loads of kind of numbers and letters. So I'm going to show you. If we click in this box and then if we just go through, I'm going to go start from the end, and as I go through you can see where it says edit. What I actually want to do is grab from the edit, from the actual backslash before the edit, I want to change all of that all the way to the end and replace it with copy. So keep the backslash from edit, grab edit all the way through to the rest of what's there. I'm actually just going to delete it and I'm going to then type in copy. And before I click enter, I'm actually just going to do Control A. Control A helps me grab the current URL and then Control C. Now that we've got that copied to our clipboard, I'm now going to click enter. This creates a link that forces anyone opening it to make their own copy of the document by clicking make a copy here. So this is what your students will see when you share the new link, whether it's via WhatsApp or maybe an announcement in the Google Classroom or via email. This is what they will see. I also want to take you through a few steps to make sure that this link is shareable. So you need to give permission. By default, any content that you create that is saved in your Google Drive is restricted, meaning that no one else can have a copy of your document. We're going to go back a step so I can show you how to remove the restriction from this particular link. So go back to accessing the original Google Doc that you wanted to share with your students. All you need to do is in the top right hand corner where it says share, you click the share button, and all you want to do now is adjust the sharing settings to anyone with the link can view. And this ensures students can access the file but can't edit the original. So you can see here general access, click this drop down, anyone with the link, and click done. So remember to copy the original URL that now ends with copy and send it to your students via whichever form of communication.